And we begin tonight with a story you'll see only on Fox. Harris County's chief law enforcement officer calling on the public to rise up and demand an end to the release of violent repeat offenders that are on bond.
That's right. With the increase that we're seeing right now, Rashi, with the number of victims mounting, District Attorney Kim Ogg issued a plea in an exclusive interview with our Greg Groogan, who is live tonight from our newsroom. Greg.
John and Rashi, 142 dead and counting. That's the number of murder victims Houston Crime Stoppers is reporting have had their lives ended by violent felony defendants released back into society on bond. Today, our county's top prosecutor intensified her call for both public and political pressure aimed at the judges responsible.
And I have simply doubled down on my resolve to make this city safer by telling people the truth about what is driving violent crime.
And there would be no sugarcoating of that message from Harris County District Attorney Kim Ogg, who believes Greater Houston is being shoved down a path to anarchy, a journey navigated by activist criminal court judges who repeatedly return violent predatory offenders to our neighborhood streets to maim, rob, and kill fresh victims.
When you have murderers running around on multiple bonds, people who've killed other people, go back and kill the witnesses, it's a scary time, and I'm here to warn people, we don't have to live like this. We need an urgency.
An urgency to push back against what many view as a calculated demolition of the criminal justice system, orchestrated by Harris County Commissioner Rodney Ellis, who recruited and backed the activist judges cutting loose predatory offenders. Ogg says over the course of just 2 years, both the fundamental rights of victims and basic accountability for those who commit crime have been eroded to the breaking point.
Those simple common sense concepts are somehow being thrown out the window by special interests and philosophy that says everyone should be able to do everything they want. We can't have dangerous, violent predators set free on a community of innocents. It's not fair.
As her long-standing request for 100 additional prosecutors remains unfilled, the county's chief law enforcement officer slammed claims by Judge Lena Hidalgo and Commissioner Adrian Garcia, who contend prosecutors, deputies, constables, and the chaotic Harris County Jail have more resources than ever.
When they say they're properly funding public safety, does that fly in the face of reality?
It's not true. Public safety at the county level is not being appropriately funded, and it does lend the question, where is the money going?
That's a powerful question coming from someone with the authority to investigate. Meantime, a spokesman for Judge Hidalgo provided data which indicates budgets for all Harris County law enforcement entities have risen each of the last 5 years, while a spokesman for Garcia says public safety has been and remains the commissioner's #1 priority. In the newsroom, Greg Groogan, Fox 26 News.